Clean your fresh mushrooms thoroughly. Cut the mushrooms into thin slices or however you like. Heat some oil in the pan. This is a non-stick pan. When using a normal pan, you must be extra careful. Add some butter, not too much, not too less. The flame is on medium heat. Drop the mushrooms into the pan. Some salt next. As the mushrooms are being sweated first, the salt won't scratch the pan. Then a sprinkle of pepper, black or white, that's your choice. Drop in some dry garlic flakes. Then place the lid on the pan to sweat. There's a lot more liquid at the bottom of the pan. You can add a little more pepper if you want. I did. Now go ahead and mix everything properly. And place the lid on again. After a few minutes, lift the lid off again. You'll notice the mushrooms have taken a lovely dark colour. Time to add in some jaggery. A few teaspoons should do. Add in too much and it'll get too sweet. Turn the gas on low and give it a quick mix. For a final touch, sprinkle some garlic flakes on top. Mix lightly again. Switch off the gas because the dish is done. Please read the notes at the end for some finer details.